When you start a new YouTube channel, no one in the world knows you exist. So how can you get views and subscribers to grow your channel? In this video, you'll discover how to get views as a new YouTuber so your channel will grow consistently. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to get more views to your channel every day. So over time, as you publish more videos, you'll accumulate more views. So how to get views as a new YouTuber? The answer is to get ranked in YouTube search, because people are looking for information on YouTube 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. YouTube is also the second largest search engine on the net because it gets billions of views every day. When people discover your video based upon a search term they've entered into the YouTube search box, you will accumulate views and subscribers. Here are the steps to get views as a new YouTuber. Number 1, keyword research. Go to YouTube and enter your main keyword phrase in the search box. I'm going to enter how to get fit. We can also see the volume and the cost per click. So how to get fit has 2,900 views per month and advertisers are willing to pay $2.32. As you can see, there's a list of other keyword phrases that people are entering into the search box. You can see these keyword phrases have search volume and pay per click. You can get the search volume and cost per click displayed next to your keyword phrases by installing the free Chrome extension Keywords Everywhere. You can install it for Chrome or install it for Firefox, and it's free. If we click on how to get fit, the volume is 2,900 searches per month, cost per click is $2.32, and the competition is 0.06. Now because I've got the TubeBuddy Chrome extension installed, I can see the keyword score, the search volume, competition, and overall. It has a very poor keyword score, like 16 out of 100. Search volume is very high, and competition is very high, so I wouldn't go after that keyword phrase. Let's try how to get fit in one day. It's got a volume of 30 searches per month, cost per click 0, and competition 0.03. And according to TubeBuddy, it has a very good overall score. So that means that the keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. If you want to download the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy to help you with the keyword research, just go to tubebuddy.com/isitebuild. Number 2, create a list of titles based upon your research. So I've got the keyword phrase, how to get fit in one day, but TubeBuddy's telling us that we can also use how to get fit in one day for kids, how to get fit in one day at home. If we eliminate day from the search box, then we've got some other suggestions like how to get fit in 1 week, how to get fit in 1 month, how to get fit in 1 day for kids, how to get fit in 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 night, 1 week at home, 1 year. So these would be all great suggestions for future videos on your channel. You could also try a different verb such as become. How to become fit in 1 day, how to become fit in 1 week, how to become fit in 1 month, etc. We can also just start with get fit in 1. Get fit in 1 week, get fit in 1 month, get fit in 1 day, get fit in 1 week at home. You just got to do some keyword research based upon the YouTube suggestion box and the Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy Chrome extensions. I'll include a link to these tools in the description below this video. Number 3, study your competition. Look at the top 10 most popular videos for your targeted keyword phrase. So for how to get fit in 1 day, I've got all these videos that I can take a look at. For instance, this video was created 7 months ago that's got 2 million views. Study how these creators structure their videos, how they present their content, and what kind of calls to action they use in their videos. Instead of copying them, try to emulate their best practices. Number 4, create your video. When you create your own video, try to approach the topic from your own unique angle. Your viewers will be attracted to the unique way that you present the content. You want to hook your viewers in the first few seconds of your video so they'll continue watching the rest of your video. Follow that up with an optional bumper that could be a motion graphic of your logo or asking people to subscribe. One of the easiest ways to present your content is to make a number of points or a number of steps. Your viewers will then look forward to learning the next steps. Finish your video with a strong call to action, such as asking people to subscribe or to check out the next video. Number 5, optimize your video. If you optimize your video correctly, it increases your chances of it being found in the search engines. It begins with an attractive thumbnail so you can win the first click. Make sure you also include your main targeted keyword phrase in the title, description, and tags. Avoid making your title too long, otherwise the title will be cut off. The first 3 lines of your description will be viewable as people are watching the video. Therefore, include a summary of your video in those first 3 lines. If you're redirecting viewers to a link in the description, make sure you place that link in those first 3 lines. YouTube recently introduced clickable hashtags that are displayed above the video title. This could be a channel name or a specific hashtag that's related to your playlist. When someone clicks on that channel hashtag or your channel playlist hashtag, all your videos will be displayed rather than your competitors. Number 6, publish and promote. After you've finished optimizing your video, change your privacy settings to public and publish your video. Now your work has just begun. Click the link in the card to watch my video on the best ways to promote your YouTube videos. Number 7, track performance. The purpose of tracking the performance of your videos is to find out what works and what isn't working. When you know which videos are getting the most traction, you can create more of the same type of video. Visit YouTube Analytics and click on Audience Retention. As you can see in this graph, the relative audience retention is over 50% throughout the video. Relative audience retention shows a video's ability to keep viewers compared to all YouTube videos of similar length. When the graph is higher, it indicates how many more viewers kept watching your video for that time frame compared to the same time frame in other YouTube videos. Absolute audience retention shows the parts of the video that are most popular. So you can see that viewers drop off within the first 18 seconds. If I click on traffic sources, then I can see where most of my traffic is coming from. So for this video, most of my traffic is coming from notifications, browse features, and external. Notifications are views from automatic notifications and emails sent to subscribers. Browse features is traffic from the home page and home screen and subscription feed. And external is traffic from websites and apps that embed your videos or link to your videos on YouTube. If we click on YouTube Studio Beta, click Analytics, then click Reach Viewers, we can see the traffic source types, you can see the external source types, suggested video source types, the impressions that my thumbnail got, the click-through rate, which is the number of people that clicked through my thumbnail to watch the video, the number of views, and also the average view duration, which was 39.5%. When you know which videos get the highest audience retention, the highest click-through rate, and the most views based upon YouTube Analytics, you know that you should create more on the similar topics. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Number 1, it's easy to rank your videos as your channel grows. Your channel gains more authority as you accumulate more views and subscribers. This is because as you publish more videos, you accumulate more views on your YouTube channel. Most of the views will come from YouTube search, Google search, and YouTube suggested videos. Number 2, focus on the value of your content rather than your production value. For example, if you're just starting out, you can use your cell phone camera and the light from a window. You don't need expensive equipment to start publishing videos on YouTube. Number 3, be consistent. Don't expect one video to get a ton of views and subscribers. Each video you publish based upon a targeted keyword phrase will accumulate a certain amount of views. When you publish videos on a regular schedule, say once or twice a week, then your viewers will know what to expect. Number 4, create professional channel art. Many viewers will subscribe by checking out the videos on your channel homepage. Therefore, make sure you have an attractive channel banner and a customized channel trailer that asks people to subscribe. Also, add sections to your channel homepage that contain playlists so people will binge watch your videos. The longer you keep viewers watching other videos on your channel, the higher probability your videos will be suggested on other people's channels. If you want to learn more about how to rank your videos in YouTube search, YouTube suggested videos, and Google search, click the link in the card. If you study the secrets contained in these videos, you'll learn how to grow your channel fast. If you want to know how to identify what you should improve about your channel or videos, download my free channel evaluation worksheet below, and make sure you also subscribe and check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.